Welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. Today we are going to look at how we can add hue and saturation effect to our background image in Photoshop. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and web design. So do that. So you select the background image, then you come to this icon here, then you click on it. So when you click on it, there will be a pop-up. Then you select hue and saturation. So when you come here, you're going to adjust the bar here to choose your preferred color based on the hue, what color you want. So the color effect you want, you adjust it. So that's how it works, the hue part. So I want to maintain this color, then I'll set it. Then you go to saturation. So when you adjust it, you see the effect on the background image, then you choose the one you want to use. Then you go to the lightness too. So you see the lightness, how the lightness work. So if you want your image to be somewhere like this one is okay as compared to this one. So I want my image to be like this, then I'll set it that lightness level. So this is how you can add hue and saturation to get a preferred color for your background image. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for me. Goodbye.